Hello everyone, I am Vaibhav and welcome to my core Java interview playlist. So yes, last lecture we have seen what is this keyword, what is super keyword, what is difference between super keyword and this keyword. So today we will see how it's practically work. Okay, I have one practical example. So let's start. So first of all, we we have see we will see how to invoke a superclass constructor, or how we invoke the superclass constructor. If a class is inheriting, if a class is inheriting the properties of other class, the subclass automatically acquire the default constructors of the superclass. But if you want to call a parameterized constructor of the superclass, you need to use the super keyword as shown below. Okay, here you will see what is super and values. Means if if your constructor is if your constructor is if your constructor is without parameter, then no need to specify here values. Okay, but if your constructor is with if your constructor is parameterized, so then you need to specify their values. So let's see with example. This is my super class. Inside this super class, I just created two constructor. First one is person and second one also persons. Means first one is a default constructor, or we can say without parameterized constructor, or next one is parameterized constructor. Okay, and this is my subclass. So I just extend my superclass with the help of extend keyword, and here I just create a one constructor of my subclass. Okay, this is my subclass employee coins, and here I just create a employee coins constructor, and from here I call my parameterized constructor of person coins, means super class constructor. With the help of super keyword, I will call to my without parameterized constructor. Okay, means this constructor will call first. This is the super class constructor. Okay, and after that, in second second constructor, means this is my subclass parameterized constructor. Okay, here what I did, I just call to my parameterized constructor of superclass constructor with the help of super keyword, and with the help of this keyword I just representing my subclass instance variables. Okay, so next one is display method. This is only the employee coins method. Okay, then I just create a one object of my class, and object of my subclass, and with the help of that object I just call to my subclass method. Okay, but first, what which statement will execute first? First of all, I create a one employee cons dot employee cons e1 is equals to new employee cons. Okay, so whenever uh, compiler or interpreter will come into the this statement employee cons e1, then directly it's called to the this constructor. Okay, and it will be called to this constructor. Means first line is this is super class constructor, then second one is this line execute will be execute, means it will be come here and call to this name and assign here name values, and it will be give return back to the this constructor. Okay, and after that it will be pinned here. Okay, so thank you guys, thank you, and watch this full video. We will see it's in next video how it's work in my ID. Okay, so thank you.